Hello, hello, hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, hello. It is audible now. Nobody tell me. Hello, 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 hello. In chat box. Hello, 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 hello. Okay. And now observe it here. Today we are going to start Oracle 19C. Observe it here. Oracle is a software product from Oracle Corporation. Same like SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, Sybase, Informix. One of the product is a Oracle. But Oracle is a what type of product means that is everyone knows. Screen observed here. This is a database product. Oracle database product. Oracle is a database product that is everyone knows. Now observed here. This is a database product. What is the purpose of the database products means? These products we are installing in your system, then automatically to store data, permanently in secondary storage devices. Permanently in secondary storage devices. Secondary storage devices means hard disk only. Okay, yeah. Storage devices. Now concentrate here. Oracle after 19 is a number is there. What is this one means? This is a version number. 1978 onwards, Oracle Corporation was released so many versions. Oracle 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 5.1, 6.0, 6.1, 7.0, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 8.0, 8.1.5, 8.1.6, 8.1.7. These three versions are also called as 8i. Next 9i, 10G, 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C, 21C, 23C. These are the version numbers in that product only. In years onwards, Oracle Corporation was released these versions. That's why 19 is one of the popular version number. C means that is everyone knows. Nowadays, every software technology supported a what? Cloud computing. That is cloud technology. That's a Oracle 19C means cloud database. Suppose here, this is a database product. What is the purpose of this database product? Means to store data permanently in secondary storage devices. Up to this one, everyone knows. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. I am also here also imagination how means suppose I'm installing Oracle software in my system. Then automatically some place is reserved in a disk. This is called database. Database is a place where we can store data. Now observe it here. I am also here also thinking about what we are thinking. Oh, this is a database software. In this software only, we are storing a what? Any collection of data in this place only. Now we are storing, we can store any random collection of data we are thinking. That is 100% wrong one. These databases, Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Informix, Postgres, These type of MySQL, these type of database softwares are implemented based on one concept is their relational data model. That's why these database softwares does not store random collection of data. These databases stores a what? Structured collection of data. Organized fashion only data is storing. A structured collection of data. Observe it here. Organized fashion only data is storing. Why these database software stores a what? Structured collection of data only. Means this is a table format. Structured collection of data. Why these databases only stores a what? MongoDB is different. That is a unstructured. This is a structured collection of data only. It will be storing. Structured collection of data. Because these database softwares implemented based on relational data model is a concept. That data model, what is relational data model, what is data model, later I will tell you. This data model was implemented by EF Cod in IBM company, but unfortunately he is a mathematician. That's why he is only decided to represent a logical structure in the format of matrix. Matrix are nothing but rows and columns only. That's why here always structured collection of data is there in these type of databases. Really that is correct or not? Check it out. 1 minute only. Suppose here that is table format nowadays. Just observe it here. In a future you are also installing a what Oracle software. I will tell you those installation, all the things. Observe it here. In this one here, this is a big table is there. Table format only, data is there like this. Here, this is an employee table. Oracle Corporation provided predefined tables for practice purpose. These are columns. Employee number, e-name, job, MGR, hire date, salary, commission, department number. These are columns. And also, these are rows. Here, same like a table format, matrix format only data is there. You are observing or not? Why I am given the guarantee this is a structured collection of data means screen observe it. Here employee number is a column is there. In this column only numbers are available. You are observing or not? Only numbers are available. Here job is a column is there. In this job column only strings are available. Again hire date is a column is there. In this column only dates are available. This is called organized fashion. A structured manner only data is storing only. Suppose so many tables. You are also creating a what? These type of tables in a later. Now check it out here. This is another table is there, DEPT table. This is also predefined table, Oracle Corporation providing practice purpose these tables. Suppose department number, D name and location is a column is there. In this column, 10th department, accounting and New York is a location is available. Suppose you are working in a company. These type of tables are available. For example, now your requirement is change a New York is a location into Hyderabad is a location. You want to change based on the requirement only. Just in this database table, here New York is a location into Hyderabad is a location means just we are typing a what? Some command. Observe it here. Some commands we are typing. Hyderabad like this. Only one line of coding only. These type of codings we are writing means then automatically the data in a database was changed. Now check it out. Now observe it here. Now here Hyderabad. In a previous case New York is there. In this case Hyderabad is there or not? This is called this whatever command I am typing only here. Something is happened in a database means this command is also called as DML command. These type of things are available in a one special language. What is that language? SQL, structured query language. That's why if you want to operate a data in a Oracle database, then EF code introduced one language, SQL language. Through this language only we are operating a data in this Oracle database. Observe it here, 1 minute, observe it here. Suppose this is a Oracle database is there, here table format only data is there. If you want to operate a data in this Oracle database, one universal language is there. What is that language? Yes, this language you must familiar. What is that language? Very good. SQL language, structured query language. By using this language, we are operating a data in this database. In this language, any variables are available? No. Any loops are available? No. That's why this is a non-procedural language. Suppose C, C++, Python, these type of languages are procedural languages. Loops are there, variables are there, these type of things are there. But here there is no loops, there is no variables, okay, there is no conditional long construct. These type of things are not there, but simple non-procedural language, structured query language. Some commands are there. Whenever we are submitting those commands into where Oracle database server, how those statements are affected in a database, you are understandable, and what type of requirement, based on the requirement you are giving submitting these type of some commands, update, insert, delete, some commands you are giving means automatically okay, return the output according to your client requirement. Now server is return the output only. That's why always SQL is a structured query language is used to operate a data in a database. That is everyone knows, but unfortunately screen observe it. Anybody having idea? Oracle database software, you are working in a company. If you want to operate a Oracle database, which language we are using? One is which language? SQL is a language, structured query language, that is everyone knows. Not only that one, another language is there. What is that one? Anybody having idea? Very good. One fellow is telling. PLSQL is another language, procedural language extension for SQL. SQL is a language, structured query language. Another language what? PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL. Again, another language is dynamic SQL. This is a dynamic SQL. Dynamic SQL. Suppose you are decided to work in a Oracle product in a company side. What is the purpose? What are the users? Later, I will tell you. Observe it here. If you want to work with the Oracle software, compulsory you must familiar which language? SQL and PLSQL languages. Dynamic SQL is optional, but my interest purpose, I will tell you. So SQL is a structured query language, PLSQL is a procedural language extension for SQL, and dynamic SQL means SQL statements are executed at runtime. These three languages you are good means by using these languages we are operating a data in this Oracle database. Suppose I am working in a Java, for example. Observe it here. I am working in a Java, for example. This is a Java application. I am working in a JDBC project side, for example. JDBC project side I am working. Now here in this front-end application, here data requirement is required only in this application. Suppose, for example, here Oracle database they are using. 1 minute, observe it here. Now in this Java application, I'm sending some data from this Java application into this database software, for example. And also I want to return some values from the tables. Here table format only data is there based on the requirement that values are written from the Oracle database into your Java application, for example. In that case, here they are creating a stored procedures. Observe it here. They are creating a create procedure name. some stored procedures they are creating only. In this case, here in parameters, some concept is there. Again, out parameters, there's some concept is there. Don't read, just observe it here. These are demo classes now. Yeah. Now, these type of codings are available. Observe here. This is a database coding only. In a procedure format only, we are creating a what? Something you are writing a what coding, okay, in a database. Now, this procedure name you are calling in a where in a callable statement and prepared call. Here, that procedure name we are calling only. Then this Java developer just sending that some data into where request into where this database, for example, suppose in this application bank account number they are passing, for example 1001 like this. This account number is received by this account number parameter in parameter, and this corresponding customer bank account holder name and balance, those type of things out parameter through it will be returned from the table into where your Java application. Then only these persons are try to display those information from database into where this front-end application. This type of coding is required in a project. But what is this coding means? Here you are observing or not, this is a stored procedure is there. No, this is coding. This coding is available in a where, which language? Not in SQL language. PL SQL is a language, procedural language extension for SQL. In this PL SQL language, you are good. Then only you are writing a what? Stored procedures according to requirement. These are called stored procedures. That's why you must familiar Java, Python, these type of programmers are familiar. A basic fundamental of the, at least fundamental of the where PL SQL language, because stored procedure knowledge is required for improved performance of the application purpose and also interacting with the what? Front end application purpose, either JavaScript, either Java, either Python, like this only. That's why here in this PL SQL, yes, observe here in this PL SQL only stored procedures is a concept is there. In SQL is a structured query language. In this SQL language, what are the main concepts are available means observe here. For example, in a future, once you are starting a what our course means, what are the contents you are learning in a where SQL language? For example, SQL structured query language side, some fundamentals I will tell you one of these days, don't worry. Before installation, something I will tell you later. Okay, like illustration side, installation, these are all the things. Once installation you are good, then only in a SQL language we are starting only. In that one, DDL, some commands are there, DML, here DQL, TCL, DCL, these fundamentals first we are learning, because what is going on, you have an idea, then only you are understandable how we are operating, what is occasion of what are the commands, where we are using those, all the things. Once you are good at what those fundamentals, so many fundamentals are there. One of these days you are writing a what some queries like this. Main important first important concept in SQL language means that is everyone knows joins is a concept. In SQL language, structured query language, joins is a concept we are learning only. In this joins, we are fetching a data from multiple tables. If you want to fetch data or retrieve data from multiple tables, then specialized conditions are there. That is called joins. These joins also Java, Python, these type of programmers must familiar. That is left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. So many joins are there. Don't worry. These are all the things you are familiar. In any software technology side also, this is very helpful only. Okay, yeah. Now observe it here, what is going on. Now check it out. Once you are good at what joins, something we are learning only, then we are learning what constraints is a chapter in a SQL language. If you want to maintain a valid data in a databases, then a primary key, foreign key, these type of things we are learning. Okay, now, suppose bank account number is there means my account number and your account number is not same. How it will stop the invalid data entry means these type of primary keys we are declaring in a where in a bank account number or invoice number like that only. Now these type of things we are learning in a where in a constraint chapter. There is so many concepts are there, don't worry. Once you are good at what those constraints, then only we are starting a main chapter in SQL language. Very important only. That is what subqueries or nested queries. This is a main concept in our database. So now here subqueries or nested queries like this. Suppose you are a Java developer, you are a Python developer. Why interviewer asking what? Write a query to display highest salary employee, write a query to delete duplicate rows from a table, write a query to display second highest salary employee. These type of regularly asked interview questions only repeatedly they are asking in any interview side also. Once you are writing a what? Those queries in front of the interviewers, yes, this person having a good knowledge is there in a database. Yes, he is able to handle the what projects. They are understandable only. Suppose those first fundamental queries also you are unable to write means they are rejected. Simple. Why? Because so now those are basic building blocks in a database side. And now that's why those all queries you are learning in a subquery chapter side, rank, dense rank, row underscore number, lag and lead. So many things are there. Don't worry. Exist operator, this type of things. Every database also. Here, these all the things we are learning one of these days. Once you are good at what those subqueries, then only now database objects are available. Suppose Java developers auto increment concept side, sequence is a database object they are using. Suppose data warehousing programmers using a what views, materialized views, that is from the views database object. Like this database objects, views, indexes, sequences, synonyms, those all the things we are learning. Not only that one. In SQL language side, you must familiar what advanced concepts. Yes, here set operators and conversions is a chapter is there. This is most powerful. Suppose here you are attending interview, you are a Java developers also interview asking a what a decode and case statement differences. What is that key decode? What is that case statement? What is pivoting? What is pivot function in 11G? How we are changing a what a date format in a real-time project side? These all the things, null value, conversion functions. Those all the things we are learning. Timestamp data type like that. If you want to loop like so now concepts you are generating means level is a pseudo column. These are all the things we are learning. Don't worry. Okay, technical concepts. And now check it out. Not only that one, actually, maybe you are a Java, .NET, Python, these type of programmers are Unix, Linux programmers are very good knowledge in aware. Some other concept, regular expressions, maybe JavaScript programmers, Java programmers, well-known persons, .NET programmers or Unix programmers, those all persons are very good knowledge in aware. Regular expressions, same regular expressions are available in aware. Oracle 10G version onwards in a Oracle. Those things also we are learning about in our Oracle side. These special POSIX notations are there, special symbols are there. Through that special symbols, we are operating about data in our databases. Anybody good at what mail ID validation, that entry questions you are familiar, I think. Here, email ID, suppose Java application, Python application, these application side, mail ID validation is there. Same mail ID validation, how they are performing in aware in a Oracle also, I will tell you. Again, PAN card is there. Everyone having a PAN card nowadays. How they are providing a what PAN card validation in a real-time projects means a database application through how they are applying only. Now observe here, Aadhaar card. Nowadays in Indian persons having a what Aadhaar card is there. Every Aadhaar card, how it will be validated by using a regular expressions, I will tell you. Very easy. Okay, those are all the things only. That's why highly advanced. So now phone number validation, timestamp. These type of so many things we are learning in aware in SQL language. According to PLSQL language, observe it here. A PLSQL is a language is there. In this one, basic fundamental, once you are completed about SQL language, then PL SQL we are learning only. In that one, cursor is a concept is there. And exceptions also. Runtime errors we are handling purpose, try, catch, throw, finally, those commands are available in a where C++, Java, Python, these type of languages. But those type of things are not there. Here, exceptions differently we are handling only, Oracle side. Now, subprograms is the concept is there. In that one only stored procedure is there. This concept is very important for Java, .NET, Python, front-end developer side. Very, very important. Mandatory to know in parameter, out parameter, in out parameter like this only. Now stored functions, triggers, packages. Up to this one is enough for front-end developer side. But some fellows are applying what jobs for PLSQL developers. Anybody interested to work in a where PLSQL developer or Oracle apps developers, this much of knowledge is not sufficient only in a PLSQL. That's why advanced concepts I will tell you. In a types used in a where PLSQL, that is collections, index per table, nested table, VRIs, and a bulk bind performance tuning concept, and a riff cursors. Riff cursors are helpful in a front end, Java, Python, these type of programmer side also. Local subprograms, UTL file packages, external tables, SQL or SQL loader. Again, so many things we are learning. One of these days, I will tell you how we are storing images. There is a BLOB data type is there or not? Yes, one of the chapter side, LOB chapter side. Again, once you are good at what? Those are all the things. One minute, observe it here. Syllabus you are observing means, yes. Here in a PLSQL, this coding, well, don't worry about that coding, just you are understandable very easy way. Once you are starting means, then you are understandable. These are all the things are there. Little bit of coding is there in a PLSQL. Don't worry, okay? Yeah. Once you are good at what? That PLSQL, then only we are learning what? Dynamic SQL is a concept. Yes, dynamic SQL is a concept is there. This is a little bit of thing. Just okay, what are modifications are there in SQL, PL, SQL? Those things I will tell you. Don't worry. Now, where we are using in a real-time project, those are all the things we are learning in a dynamic SQL. And specialized packages are there. DBMS underscore scheduler is there in a Oracle 11G. Same like DBMS underscore job is a package is there in a olden days like that. Okay, so now here those type of things we are learning. That's why here in our course we are learning what these three languages. Once you are good at what these three languages, by using these languages we are operating a data within a where Oracle database. Okay, but unfortunately you are a first time newcomer. For example, okay, Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation and this is a database product, popular database product. What are the popular database products are available in a market means, concentrate 1 minute only. Same like a Oracle, SQL server is a product is there. That is also database product. That is also popular database product from Microsoft company. Again, MySQL is a popular database product from open source actually, but nowadays Oracle was purchased. Again, DB2 is a popular relational data model product, same like a Oracle database. This DB2 is a product from IBM company. Sybase is a product from Ingress company. Again, some fellows are Teradata, they are working only. That is a product from NCR Corporation. Postgres, Ingress, these type of so many products are available. Okay, yeah. That's why these are similar to where these type of Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, MySQL, these are similar database products. Okay, conceptually similar, but unfortunately, so many fellows having a doubt. Suppose you are a first time newcomer, this Oracle is a database product. You are understandable for storing a data, processing a data permanently. Okay, so now operating our data according to a requirement, you are fetching a data, you have an idea. Okay. But if you want to operate a Oracle, I am telling you what, oh, SQL is a language is there. Yes, PLSQL is a language is there. Dynamic SQL is a language is there. By using these languages, we are operating a data in this Oracle database. Up to now, you are understandable. Okay, I'm agree. But what is my doubt is, observe it here. 5 minutes, concentrate. Very important. This is so many fellows having a doubt only. That doubt first we are clarifying only in this demo class, at least technical concept. Suppose I am working in a company, for example. Whenever I am working in a company, I am working in a Oracle database software, for example. Okay, yeah. Now I am also, my colleagues also operating a what? A data in this Oracle database by using a which language? SQL is a language. For example, SQL language through we are operating a what? Data in a this database software. Okay, yeah. Actually, Oracle is a RDBMS software. Once we are installing a what? That software, automatically database is created. Okay, yeah. Don't worry. Yes, if you want to operate a what? A data in this Oracle database, then we are using which language? SQL is a language. Again, in my company, some other fellows are working in a where same like a Oracle database, another database is there, SQL Server database. Maybe company means different projects. No? Yeah, different products also there. SQL Server is a product is there. That is from Microsoft. Same like a Oracle database. This is also database software product. Who are working in a where SQL Server product, those persons also operating our data by using a which language? Very good. SQL is a language. What is this one? Here also SQL language is there. Again, some fellows are working in a where MySQL is a database. For example, in that company, MySQL is a open source database is there. This is also popular product. Most of the PHP programmers, some startup companies are using a open source, that is MySQL database. Anybody who are working in this MySQL database also, they are operating our data by using a what? Which language? SQL is a language. Okay, what is my doubt is here, concentrate here. Some fellows are working in a Oracle, some fellows are working in a SQL Server, some fellows are working in a MySQL, some fellows are working in a DB2, some fellows are working in a Teradata, some fellows are working in a Sybase, some fellows are working in a Postgres. These are all database software, but if they want to operate a what? A data in those all database softwares, they are using a what? Which language? SQL is a language. Now these all SQL languages are same or different? Only one answer is correct. Anybody tell me? Anybody having idea? Java, .NET, Python, these type of languages means they are good knowledge in aware this basic fundamental. Anybody tell me? These all SQL languages are same or different? I have a doubt only here. These all SQL languages are same or different? Very good. So many fellows are telling what, Murali sir? Okay, so now these all SQL languages are same. They are telling only. That's the wrong answer. These all SQL languages are not same. How I am giving the guarantee these all SQL languages are not same is I will tell you now. Why so many students in our class, first demo class side also, they are mistaken, maybe they are working professionals also, they are mistaken. These all SQL languages are why same, they are telling me, maybe academic career side, they are learning a what, a DBMS theory paper, I think. In that one, academic career side, now here in software technology. In that case, always lab they are providing only in that one, in a Oracle, in a MySQL, in a SQL server, in a database they are giving means always insert, update, delete, select, some commands are there, basic commands, 4 or 5 commands, really same syntax is there. That's why maybe they are thinking of what, these are same, they are thinking only. But unfortunately, 4 or 5 commands are same also. These are all SQL languages are not same. How you are given the guarantee? So now these all SQL languages are not same means slight difference is there. How you are remembering that one means I will tell you. Simple technique is there. What is the technique means? So many fellows are technical persons are good at what? C++ is a language. Java is a language. .NET is a language. Visual C++ is a language. These are all object-oriented languages. Through the object-oriented language concepts, very easily you are comparing means easily understandable. Oh, maybe these all SQL languages are not same. Easily understandable. 1 minute observe here. Only 2 minutes observe it. Then I will tell you some concept only. Through that concepts easily understandable. Same comparison is there. Suppose C++ is a object-oriented language is there. For example, technical persons are there. Just they are telling very easy way like this. Again, in our class, so many Java developers are there. Java, for example, this is a popular object-oriented language. Okay, yeah. Here, C++ is object-oriented language, Java is object-oriented language. In object-oriented language, some OOPS concepts are there, object-oriented features are there. In that one, maybe some concepts you have an idea? Yeah, very good. Object is a concept is there, class is a concept is there, inheritance is a concept is there. Again, polymorphism is a concept is there. Okay, encapsulation, so many things. Okay, don't worry. Again, in a Java also, here object-oriented features are available. In that object-oriented features, object is a concept is there. Again, class is a concept is there. Again, inheritance is a concept is there. Again, polymorphism is a concept is there. Okay, yeah. Now screen observe it. Screen observe it here. Suppose here also what is object, what is class, what is inheritance. Here also what is object, what is class, what is inheritance. Same, conceptually same. But unfortunately, I want to create an object from the class means creating an object. What is the syntax in aware in a C++? Anybody having idea, technical persons? Yes. What is the syntax? Creating a what object from the class means simple. Class name, space, object name. This is a syntax in aware in a C++. Now I try to create a what object. I try to creating an object from the class. What is the object? What is class? Don't worry. Just something is there in those application side. Observe here. I want to create an object from the class means what is the syntax in aware Java? Yes, different. Class name space object name is equal to new class constructor. Very good. Some fellows are telling correct. That's why syntactically different or not? Yes, different. In this language, creating an object is there. Here also creating an object is there. In these two languages, creating an object, here also creating an object is there. Syntactically different. Conceptually, these features are same, but syntactically, these same concept is there also. Syntactically different. Here also creating an object is there. Here also creating an object is there. This is syntactically different, but unfortunately screen observe it. Not only syntactically different, suppose in a C++ functions, observe it here. I want to display stream output means cout is a function is there in a C++. Okay, yeah. Same function I try to use in a where in a Java working. No, there is a different language only. System.out.println is there. That's why functions also totally different or not? Yes. Same like Oracle side also, SQL Server side also, these comparison useful only. And now observe it here. Here also functions are different. Okay, na? Yeah. So now here, yes, only conceptually same. That is object oriented features only same. Same like observe it here. Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Informix. These are relational data model products. These relational data model products we are operating means one universal language is there. Really, that language is universal language. That is SQL language. But unfortunately, SQL is a what? ANSI standard language. This is the American National Standard Institute providing a what some standards on the SQL language. That's why ANSI SQL is a basically ANSI standard language. ANSI standard language. From this ANSI standard SQL, observe it here, slowly observe it here. Here, same like a C++, same like a Java. Here, conceptually, what happened, observe it here. Suppose here, Oracle is a product is there. Here, SQL Server is a product is there. Here, MySQL is a product is there. Now, check it out. Concentrate here. Concentrate here. From this ANSI standard SQL, Oracle Corporation created what? Their own SQL language that is called Oracle SQL. That's why in our class we are learning about Oracle SQL language. From this ANSI standard SQL Server Microsoft product. Okay, so now SQL Server creating a what? Created a what? Their own SQL language that is called SQL Server SQL. Again, from this ANSI standard SQL, MySQL creating a what? Their own SQL language that is called MySQL SQL. These all languages are conceptually same. Same like OOPS concepts are there, no? Java side, C++ side, what is object, what is class, like that. Here also, in all these okay, product side, yes, conceptually same. Joins, constraints, subqueries. Here also joins, subqueries, constraints. Here also join, subquery, constraint, stored procedure. These all conceptually what same, but syntactically different. Syntactically different. In a C++, creating an object syntactically different. No, here also syntactically different. And not only that one, functions also different. Functions. Suppose anybody perform technically they're good means if you want to perform arithmetic operation on the null values, again it will becomes a null. In that case, how we are overcome that problem is in a Oracle project side, NVL is a function they are using. For example, observe it here. Same function I try to use in SQL server working. No, any arithmetic operation performed in a where null values again it will becomes a null is available in a where SQL server also. But those persons how they are operating a what data in that case means is null is a function is there. That's why functions are different or not. Yes. Again, MySQL side if null is there. Conceptually, same concept is available also, but differently they are handling only. That's why here also functions are different. Here NVL function, here is null function, here if null function. That's why in our Oracle we are learning a what Oracle SQL language. That's why Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. What type of product this one? Database products. What is the purpose of the database product means? Manipulating a data, but unfortunately first time newcomer purpose to store data permanently, I will tell you. Now, if you want to operate a data in this database, we are using which languages? SQL, PL Dynamic SQL. But this SQL language is an ANSI standard language that is available in all relational databases also. But Oracle created their own SQL language from this ANSI standard SQL. That's why in a Oracle side, we are learning a what? Which one? Oracle SQL language. Okay. Yeah. Suppose you are a Power BI programmer, you are a .NET programmer. Don't come to in these classes. Better to go for SQL Server classes. Okay. Yeah. SQL Server SQL you have to learn. Power BI, .NET. These type of persons are Microsoft product. They are learning. That is SQL Server SQL. Java, Python, JavaScript, these type of programmers are learning what PLSQL or okay, Oracle apps, data warehousing technology, Informatica, data stage. These type of programmers are learning what Oracle SQL. Okay, a slight difference. Observe it here. Suppose in a Oracle here today date I want to view means observe it here. Concentrate here. Just remembering purpose. Some command I am typing today. Okay, today date automatically it will be displayed. Okay, yeah. Now check it out. Observed here. Today date I am displaying only 30 December 2024. Today. Okay. Yeah. Now I want to add a one day into the where this date means just I'm a Oracle SQL programmer means add underscore sorry month I want to add means add underscore months is a function I try to use. For example, now same function I try to use a what in my occasion SQL server working? No, not working. Here I try to add a 1 month means add underscore months I'm using in a where Oracle side. Here January it will display or not. In that case, Oracle SQL server side date add is there. Here add underscore months is there. Suppose if you want to add a what one day tomorrow means just the sysdate plus 1 I am typing means automatically tomorrow it will display in a Oracle side. Same thing I try to use in a where SQL server working. No. In that case, date add is a function is there. That's why different languages, different functions are available. Okay. Yeah. Understood this technical concept, at least slight differences. Okay. Yeah. In our course side, so many technical concepts are there. Okay. Huge syllabus is there. That's why it will take a time only. Our course duration is more than 3 months only. Okay. Yeah. Some fellows are interested to learn about parallelly because some fellows are good at what SQL, some basic fundamentals. When our PLSQL new batch starting means those persons are learning about PLSQL also. Okay. Yeah. That's why maybe fastly they are learning only. Okay. Yeah. Yes, one fellow is asking only 1 minute, wait only. Murli sir, window or analytical functions will be covered? Yes. In a window functions or analytical functions means always subquery is a chapter is there. No? In that chapter side, I will tell you that one. Okay. Na? Yeah, very good. Partition by class. Again, rows and range clauses. Again, rank, dense underscore rank, row underscore number. Those analytical functions are very helpful in a warehousing technology side. Okay. Na? Yeah. Understood? Okay, fine. Anybody having any doubts, please ask me. Actually, 9, 10, 11, these are okay. Another classes are there. Okay, yeah. But time is over today, but tomorrow you are asking the questions. Okay, yeah, don't worry. In chat box. I will unmute and then you are asking questions. Otherwise, some video sessions are there. You have to observe those sessions also. Here, understand. Okay, 2 or 3 days attend what demo classes, what is going on, really subject is there or not, check it out. Then only you have to decide it to this is helpful means you have to join. Okay, yeah. First 3 or 4 demo classes attend it. Okay, yeah. These are demo classes. Don't worry anything. Just some concepts I will tell you. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much for attending this small demo class. Tomorrow we'll continue. Thank you. Tomorrow, same time only. Tomorrow.